Damn. This girl. Yeah, she is.
Oh, did I tell you I got my state license?
Who it is?
For my EMT.
Oh, really?
So yeah, I'm certified in the state.
Oh, wow.
If anyone messes up on a medical call, I'm going to court.
Whoa.
Well, that burned.
Jesus.
I don't know that.
I think it's just old.
Yeah, it just rotted. It rotted away.
Didn't it?
Yeah. It didn't burn. It rotted away. You can see all that shit. That kind of looks burned right there, though. Same with all this. But that's all wet because it rained. Oh, fuck. This one looks heavy.
It's old.
Yeah.
Oh, this motherfucker's heavy. Take some weight off of it.
You can take this off too if you want. Okay,
Let's go.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
You recording?
Oh shit. Am I recording? Grill removal, Frisco, Texas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
Fuck me.
Let's go get his dolly.
We're gonna take a
You didn't bring your dolly?
Huh?
You didn't bring your dolly, did you?
No. I live like right up the street though.
See what he's got. You washing your truck, man?
Nah, I'm just getting it cut. It's been dead for 6 months. It's my baby. I gotta get it fixed. Some computer chip is messed up in it.
Do you sell these?
Yeah. Trying to, but everybody comes by and give me more than $50. These are. I got the original receipt. Another thing, my dad was sitting in his garage for years.
Fast?
They work right now.
The last time I rode them, what was that, honey? 6 months ago. I changed the oil and put gas in them. The yellow one, I think, was the fastest. The red one needed some kind of work. I don't know what the clutch. I'm not a car or gadget person. But they're original.
God damn it.
Italian scooters my dad bought.
What in the fuckity fucks is this? Man, what a troublemaker, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying them out.
You gotta tell me twice.
I'm gonna have to scoot the truck up anyway. What is this? That's exactly how we're gonna pull it out, just like that too.
Okay, that's dog shit. Oh shit.
What?
It turns, it tightens, so when you wrap it around it again, You just keep doing that?
Yeah, how? 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 That's how I don't get it.
I just made that shit up.
Oh.
It sounded cool though.
Oh, it did sound cool when you said it. It really did. I was just like, wow, he knows more about it than I do. Like,
I've never seen that thing. It does got the little skates on the bottom though. Going down the stairs, these roll. See that? It catches the tread. No shit. It's like a stair chair. See that? Kick them some bitches forward. So how in the fuck do you think we're gonna do
Oh. We gotta get through the door first. We're gonna carry it kind of shitty. Let's go. Lift me up here.
White turns. We're in a diesel. There ain't no place to put
Mm-mm. You could have.
fucking took it out.
Come on. Push on it. What the hell? I just do this the whole way. It's not even heavy.
White?
Yeah. Look at this damn dolly I have.
Dude, come on, fuck it. Wow, there's the wheels.
Watch out, you don't hit his car.
Here, drop it here and move the truck up.
All right. Good?
Drop that sucker right there. Should fit perfect.
Yeah, it fit perfect. Did you just lose a tire?
No, we're good.
Oh, that's the rim, right?
Something like that.
Yeah. I got you.
We gotta get on the second one.
Go back a little. Right there. One, two. Hold on, Maddie. Touche, huh? How you like that, huh? Huh? That's pretty good, huh? All right, let's go get the, this, Maddie, go get that dolly. That worthless damn dolly. Don't go
That's
through.
my brother-in-law. You can blame him.
Yeah, I'm gonna blame his ass.
Where's my dolly?
You want this in the back? Bro,
Yeah,
what are you gonna
kinda
do with
where
that
the
house?
barbecue was, put it right here. The tornado took it out. There was a huge tree there and it fell.
You need
down.
to pay me to remove it, bro.
I turned it into a doghouse.
A doghouse?
Yeah.
Shit. You better off tearing it off.
We got 3 huge dogs.
Really?
Oh yeah. You'd hear them if they were out of the bathroom.
What kind of dogs?
That goes through the whole neighborhood.
What kind of dogs? What kind of dogs are they?
One's a Pyrenees, Great Pyrenees. And,
Oh, that's a big dog then. Yeah, that's a big
It's
dog.
only a shepherd mix.
Oh yeah?
Another one is a pit bull and English bulldog mix.
God, he's wild, isn't he?
Oh yeah, he's the best. He's the definition of a dog. He looks like the dog from all the Norman Rockwell stuff.
Oh yeah? Old school.
But you don't want to piss him off, that's for sure. And we got another Pyrenees. Yeah, someone comes knocking on the door, they know it. We got a Ring video and some guy, we got a video of some guy reaching for the doorbell, and I guess they just happened to see his finger, and they started roaring before they had a chance to get the finger of the doorbell, and they just ran off.
Nice.
I don't know if it was a
thief
or some dude, you know, collecting names for some company or what, but it scared the crap out of him. He looked Indian or something.
Oh, he was collecting names then.
He didn't know what the hell's going on. I moved that by myself through gravel 120 yards on the dolly. And that's from my back. No more.
Well, I don't know how this thing works.
Just make a knot here.
Piece of junk. Is that as tight as it'll get?
Oh, it was tight over there. Get it tight.
You got it? Is that better? Nope.
Oh, I see.
We pull it down a little bit. Get it to where
Okay, okay. So I go like this, right?
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
We go. Just get it through. We'll have to ratchet up.
Oh,
come on, man.
Oh man, come on. Okay,
Well,
stop
it's
playing.
the
Let
old
me do
stuff.
it.
They don't make
Let
them
me
like-
do it.
they
Let
don't
me
make
do it,
them like
man.
that
You make me
anymore.
look
That's
stupid in front of my son
it's a
now.
crap version
I
of
look
that.
stupid in front of my son now. Okay.
Dude, I didn't even know how to use that until I was show me. What the heck is this moving thing? And the lock buttons on it are broke. So, you got
Okay,
it?
go ahead. Patty, let's go.
That worked all the way through gravel. So
Let's go.
We need to get one of them.
you might want to center it a little more, maybe.
Hell no,
You
that
good?
thing's gone.
There you go. I want to see this. I want to see this through this. I cut those, by the way. I cut.
I saw that.
Up the holly bushes
Maddie,
out,
it's going to the backyard.
just so this could go through there.
Yeah. What you think we were gonna load that bitch? I would have drug it to the truck.
For a second I did. I was like, why are you being lazy?
Oh no.
Yeah, this was all holly bushes.
Okay, don't.
No, you're screwing me up.
Okay.
No, I did it for my air conditioners, but worked out better. I cut all the stumps down below ground level, so you shouldn't hit one. We'll see. I'm gonna move these so you can roll better.
Nah, we got it.
Let me get that for you. There's a
Oh,
brick
yeah.
there. I can have it hold open.
He got it.
Yeah, the backyard since that tornado has kind of been a
Yeah, dude. I was like, what?
project. Well, my yard guy came and started to cut down the rest of the tree. It was a massive pear tree right there. And it fell all the way across, barely hit the house up there, and damaged the roof a little bit. And he came and started cutting it down, and he caused another piece to fall over and break those two windows up there. And I said, dude, get the fuck out of here, you dumbass. Sorry. We've already replaced them, but just the glass.
What happened here? Did that just...
Tornado picked up the pear tree. I was literally sitting right here in my window watching the TV set. I was trying to take the TV off to bring out here with that wireless direct TV thing
Okay.
and watch the Cowboy game while I was cooking.
What you want to
Sunday
watch?
night football when that big tornado hit. Then there was a tiny random tree literally.
And then how do you
about
take
6
this-
feet up in the air and then landed right on the playhouse? Yeah. My daughter's cried for hours. Can I take it off?
Oh, I see the
You just gotta
slack.
give yourself
Little
however
slack.
slack you get.
It's a two-man fucking job.
It's
Maddie, take those things. Take that thing and take that over. Let me get this off.
What I was doing was just kind of pushing with this and wiggling it and just getting this bending kind of slack, and that seemed to be grabbing that bar and making it loose. That's the only way I could do it. So anyway, I fired my yard guy, the new yard guy.
You got a New Mexican, in other words.
New guys, yeah, well they planted that Zion zoysia in my front yard. And that tree had all this backyard about
Yeah,
half of it in
man.
mud.
You go ahead, man.
No grass would grow. So he said it's best to leave it long like this, let the Bermuda overgrow and overseed itself, and then cut it in about a month. That's what he says. You really got it tight.
What the man? That would
About
have
to cut
been.
it. What are we losing?
I would've-
a foot and a half.
Yeah, I would have cut it a long time ago.
Buy him a new one. You can get it for $20. They didn't have this old piece of crust. Just cut it.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
We can move it from there. I'll take it. I'll get it off. All we gotta do is flip it down and roll it over. No big deal.
Dude, don't forget we got to put your fridge in here.
Yeah, I know. I just set them there.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
You need help flip that or what?
Oh no, all I guess
You got it?
Just flip it over and push it.
All right.
Appreciate it though.
Yeah. How's 120 sound?
Perfect. Cash check, what?
It's up to you, man. It don't matter to me. Well, cash. Give me cash if you got it then. Fuck it.
You have change?
Yeah. Whoa, dude.
God, the sprinkler cover.
Hey, Maddie, I'm gonna scoot up, okay? Lower down the bed of your truck. All right,